Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Tara Craft Creation. Today I will share a video tutorial on this Lippan art. So today I take this vest hardboard for the Lippan art. So first of all I take a Fevicol and a water in a ratio of 3:1. 3% of the glue and 1% of the water, and now I apply this glue at a side part and take a tissue paper and wrap it out the outer surface of this cardboard. So many of you ask me in a peacock Lippan art that can we use a hardboard or cardboard or any vest cardboard. So yes, you can use it like that, where you have to cover side part of hardboard, so it will give a nice and good look to your wall piece. So I complete my tissue part sticking. Now I take a center point. For that you can also check out our video that how to take a center point. Now I take a protector and mark on a 20-20 gap, like 20, 40, 60 मैंने मार्क किया दोनों साइड. नाउ मैं क्रॉस में लाइन ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ सामने सामने पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करके, लाइक दिस. So now I give a design on my Lippan. Why I draw this lines? क्योंकि मुझे सारे पोर्शन है जो इक्वल टाइप में चाहिए, डिज़ाइन सारी इक्वल होनी चाहिए. दैट्स वाई मैंने ये सारे लाइंस ड्रॉ की है ऑन अ सेम डिस्टेंस. So like that I complete my whole design. Now I take a Fabrica Mouldit clay. There is a two part, one is a red and one is a blue. You have to mix it in a equal portion. I take a equal part of both clay and mix it very well. So after mixing, I take a talcum powder and now roll it out like this. You have to you can also use a sponge also to give a good texture to your string. Now I apply glue on my surface and just stick it out like this. I give some design on my clay with the help of cutter. For this dot design, you can also use toothpick. Now I take a Fabrica acrylic white color and apply on a base to give a, you can say that कि वाइट कलर देने से क्या होता है कि जो भी कलर आप ऊपर अप्लाई कर रहे हो वो एकदम निखर के एकदम ब्राइट होके बाहर आते हैं. दैट्स वाई मैं एक बेस दे रही हूँ वाइट कलर का. So for the coloring, I use a camel Fabrica color of a magenta and pink color, and I give a light dark combination with the help of white color mixing. Now I use a camel artist picture varnish and apply it properly on my whole lippan like this. Now with the help of a glue, I stick all the mirror on my lippan like this. So like that I complete my all mirror part as well as a dot part also. I apply a dot with the help of a dot mandala tool. You can also use a pencil, backside tip. You can also use a earbuds, toothpick or brush backside part for the dot purpose. You can see there I already complete dot part. You can see here I will just show you how to do a dot. See, this one is the dot mandala tool. With the help of that I make that dot. This one is also dot mandala tool, but it is a bigger in a size. If you don't have these tools, don't worry, you can use this brush backside, pencil backside, rounder backside, any kind of round things you can use for the dot. Now I take a acrylic color and make a dot like this. You have to just dip it and just keep it on a surface like this. If you are recreating this Lippan art, don't forget to tag us on Instagram. You can keep your picture in a comment section also and tag us. And thank you for the watching. Keep crafting. Don't forget to like this video and comment it out. Thank you.